Can you solve all these everyday science questions? Science of Earth,
Clear logic. Geology is sound.
science of oceans. Strong choice. Oceanography is right. Science of universe. Well done. Astronomy is right. Science of atmosphere. Correct. Meteorology is spot on. Science of classifying organisms. You chose taxonomy. Correct. Chemistry is often called as dash. Excellent choice. Central science is right. What is the study of living things?
Exactly. Ecology makes sense.
This is the science of classifying.
Valid point. Taxonomy is true.
Who is the father of modern science? Well reasoned. Galileo is correct. The study of the animal kingdom is dash. Solid response. Zoology. Study of Earth and its neighbor in space. Good job. Earth science works well. The science of naming and grouping species. You're right. Taxonomy is correct. The ability to do work or cause change is dash. Good thinking. Energy is right. The science of heredity was called genetics by... On track. W. Bateson is correct. The study of creation of the universe is called... Bravo. Cosmogony is the answer. The study of the impact of humans on the environment. Excellent. Environmental science is well reasoned. The study of the effects of people on the environment.
Right again. Environmental science is valid.
The science of air navigation or air travel is called... Right choice. Aeronautics is best. The science of diseases of living organisms is called... Nice work. Pathology fits perfectly. Which of the following is not a branch of Earth science? Smart move. Biology is accurate answer. The science of naming and classifying organisms is called... Great thinking. Taxonomy is right. Which of the following is also referred to as geoscience? You got it. Earth science fits. The ancient Greeks gets credit for this branch of science. Correct response. Geology is accurate. In what kingdom would you find regular, everyday bacteria? Nicely done. Kingdom Eubacteria is solid. This is the study of the objects beyond Earth's atmosphere. Great job. Astronomy is accurate. The science of describing, naming, and classifying organisms. Smart pick. Taxonomy is correct. The following are the main branches of Earth science, except... Sharp thinking. Botany is right. Which branch of Earth science includes the study of the stars? Nice selection. Astronomy is correct. The branch of science concerned with classification of organisms. Perfect. Taxonomy is the one. The purpose of dash is to answer questions about the natural world. Well picked. Science is correct. The Mayans tracked the stars to come up with this branch of science. On track. Astronomy is correct.
A branch of science dealing with microscopic forms of life is known as.
Well-reasoned. Microbiology is correct. Environmental science includes other areas of study. This is called dash. Bravo. Interdisciplinary is the answer. Which branch of Earth science studies the air that surrounds our planet? Ooh. Correct response. Meteorology is accurate. What is called the science of eye? Sense of sight and lenses and mirrors. Smart move. Optics is accurate answer.
Name the science which deals with inheritance of characters and variation.
Well done. Genetics is right. The science of describing, classifying, and naming living things is. Nicely done. Taxonomy is solid. This is the study of the interaction of humans and the natural environment. Excellent. Environmental science is well-reasoned. The study of the interactions of organisms and their environments is called. Good job. Environmental science works well. The scientific study of the Earth and the universe around it is called dash. Correct. Earth science is spot on. All the living and non-living things with which an organism interacts is dash. Perfect. Environment is the one. The branch of science which is concerned with the study of disease is called. Excellent choice. Pathology is right. All of the following sciences contribute to environmental science except dash. You chose linguistics? Correct. The study of how the environment and humans affect one another is called dash. Great job. Environmental science is accurate. Branch of Earth science that deals with all the water on the Earth's surface. Solid response. Hydrology is valid. This area of science creates and uses maps of physical features of the Earth. Well picked. Cartography is correct. Which science examines the structure of living organisms at the atomic level? Sharp thinking. Biochemistry is right. Branch of science that studies the origin, evolution, and fate of the universe. Strong choice. Cosmology is right. Branch of Earth science that deals with objects beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Right again. Meteorology is valid. Which branch of Earth science includes the study of stars, planets, and galaxies? Nice selection. Astronomy is correct. A large unimaginable gas, stars, dust clouds, and consists of planets and galaxy. You're right. Universe is correct. What is a social movement or awareness dedicated to protecting the natural world? Great thinking. Environmentalism is right. Weather, climate, and the atmosphere are studied in this branch of Earth science. Smart pick. Meteorology is correct. Geology and biology come together in the study of organisms and their environment. You got it? Ecology fits. What is called the science of growing plants without soil in water containing salts?
Clear logic. Hydroponics is sound.
Which is a social movement dedicated to protecting the natural world from human actions.
Good thinking. Environmentalism is right. Sustainability science is the study of the concepts of sustainable development. And dash. Valid point. Environmental science is true.
Before dash, science was mainly based on ideas proposed by Greek philosopher Aristotle.
1609 makes sense.
The application of science, especially to industrial or commercial objectives, is called
Right choice. Technology is best.
Branch of science including human science, population, community, ecosystem, and biosphere.
Nice work. Ecology fits perfectly. Which of the following sciences was not mentioned as a component of environmental science?
Solid response. Geology is valid.
Scientific study of interactions among organisms and between organisms and their environment.
Great job. Ecology is accurate.
It is the science of naming and classifying organisms based on their similar characteristics.
Sharp thinking. Taxonomy is right.
What is the application of ethical standards to relationships between humans and their environment? Who?
You chose environmental ethics. Correct?
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Well done. Contact Narayan Changda is right